Hello children, today we are going to start computer chapter 1 of class 8th book exercise on page number 15. So everyone put today's date, that is 2020. Every field in a table has its own properties defining its dash and dash. What are they? Characteristics CHA, RA, CTE, RISTICS, characteristics, and behavior BEHAVIOUR, behavior. Dash data type can store monetary values, that is currency CURRENCY, currency. Next, the dash property also determines the disk space occupied by a field. So the answer is field size. FIELD, field, SIZ, size. A dash can have only one primary key, that is the table. Next, name the data types used to store the following data. Prakash, it is the text, TEXT text. 278, it is the numeric, NUMERIC, numeric. Coming to the page number 16, 25th September 1999. It is the data, DATA, data. Next is true. It is yes or no. YES/NO. $30.00. It is the currency, CURRENCY, currency. The data type that can be used to store for long blocks of the text for description is the memo. The data type that is used to store web address is hyperlink. This command is used to arrange data in a table in ascending order, that is the sort A to Z. Next, we have answered the following questions. So children, you have to do question and answers in your notebook. So here are the question and answers. That is, in your notebook you are going to write date, chapter 1, table in MS Access. Answer these questions. After that, you have to write the question number 1 from your textbook, and then you have to write the answers. The first answer is the text data can store and have short alphanumeric values such as last name or the street address. Answer number 2, the conditions for a field to be primary key are: the primary key allows only values which are unique and not null. Data in the primary key column cannot be duplicated and cannot be empty. Answer number 3, the steps to edit a data in a record are: double click the desired table in the left side of navigation pane. The table get displayed in datasheet view in the right side of navigation pane. Click the cell to edit. A pencil icon appears to indicate the edit mode. Modify the data and click outside the record to apply the change. Click save button from the quick access toolbar. The table gets modified and saved. Question number 4, you also have to write the question and draw the table and write the answer. Roll number is the primary key, because every child has the unique roll number, but names can be same and grades can be same. Question number 5, the answer is: the steps to set a primary key for a table are: select the field to be set as primary key, select design tab and click primary key button from the tools group. A key symbol will appear before the field name, making it as a primary key. Click save button from the quick access toolbar. The table gets saved with the primary key field. Question number 6, naming conventions for a table and its field should be short, appropriate, understandable and catchy. Avoid the use of underscore and special characters. So children, these are the question answers you have to write in your notebook, and the book exercise you have to complete in your test book only. Write today's date and then do the work. Thank you.